For today's video, we're going to visit one of the amazing tourist spots in Baguio City. If you're planning to visit the province of Benguet, don't forget to visit the famous strawberry farm in Baguio City. By the way, this tourist attraction is located in La Trinidad, the capital of Benguet, which is a few kilometers away from Baguio City. The history of strawberry farming in La Trinidad can be traced back to the early 1900s, when the Spaniards introduced the crop to the area. However, it was not until the American occupation of the Philippines in the early 1900s that strawberry farming really took off in La Trinidad. The Americans were looking for a stable supply of strawberries for their salads, and La Trinidad's cool climate and high altitude were ideal for strawberry cultivation. After World War II, Japanese farmers who had intermarried with local women continued to grow strawberries in La Trinidad. In the 1960s, the Benguet State University (BSU) began to promote strawberry farming in the area, and the La Trinidad Strawberry Farm was established. The BSU leases at least 500 to 1,000 square meters, or 5,400 to 10,800 square foot. The lots around 79.49 hectares, or 196.4 acres, farm to local farmers for strawberry cultivation, and the farm has become a major tourist destination in the Cordillera Administrative Region. The La Trinidad Strawberry Farm is open to the public from October to May, which is the strawberry harvest season. Visitors can pick strawberries on this farm. Just approach any farmer in the area, and they will assist you. During our visit this year, 2023 of June, they usually offer around 800 pesos for a kilogram of strawberries. It is a pleasant experience, and the farmers are eager to share some harvesting techniques. The best season for strawberry picking in La Trinidad is the month of March to April. Here are some interesting facts about the La Trinidad Strawberry Farm. The farm home is over 100,000 strawberry plants. The farm produces an average of 100,000 kilograms of strawberries per year. Strawberries are the top agricultural export of Benguet province. The La Trinidad Strawberry Festival is held every March to celebrate the strawberry harvest. The festival features strawberry picking, food stalls, and cultural performances. The farm is also a popular venue for weddings and other special events. The La Trinidad Strawberry Farm is a popular tourist destination and an important part of the local economy. It is a testament to the hard work and dedication of the local farmers, who have made La Trinidad the strawberry capital of the Philippines. Friends, if you like the video, please leave a comment below, and your comment is highly appreciated. Please don't forget to like my video, share it to your friends, and especially don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more upcoming videos.